All right, the rebuild of the 1972 LT1 Corvette continues. So the issue was with this vehicle is rot in the area where the kick-up meets the cross member, and so this I'm going to cut away all of the weak parts and cut it back until we get to solid metal, and I've done that to the other side already. So I fabbed up all the pieces and replaced all the weakened metal. Oh, it's a 1972 LT1. The engine blew out of it back in the 70s sometime, and some sort of a Firebird engine was installed, and then a hot cam, making it pretty pebbly. Anyway, the engine and transmission remains installed, as well as the front end. The rear end was simply disassembled to repair this issue. There's also a bad spot right here where this rested for many years, making the frame wet in that location. So that will be the focus of repairs as well. But that's nothing next to the complicated geometry required to repair this. So that's the next step. I'm going to cut out the bad frame section, and hopefully it looks about as good as that. Should be good enough. It's ready on the other side over there to have the trailing arms bolted back in. The old trailing arms have yet to be rebuilt. I'm going to get some parts and possibly a couple of new trailing arms, and then we'll get those reinstalled, and we'll be on our way to rolling again. But that's it for now. The body I lifted many months ago. Well, I guess 4 months ago now. 3 months, 4 months. Lifted up the body. Blasted the frame. And I've just been tinkering away at this. Next job is that second kick up. So this represents about halfway through the real part of this job, which is cutting and welding using gas MIG. Anyway, that's it for now.